Good morning, grade 7. Myself, Sumit Sharma, and today we are going to discuss our chapter number 1 from the book of Social Studies. That names is Our Environment. हम लोग हमारे पर्यावरण के बारे में बात करेंगे. So, if we start with the meaning of environment, in a precise way, I can say that our surroundings, हमारे जो आस पड़ोस, हमारे जो neighborhood में है, that is called our environment. Or you can say that environment means to encircle or surround. Or in other words, I can say anything that surrounds us forms our environment. मतलब वो हमारा पर्यावरण बनाते हैं. अगर हम लोग डिस्कस करें इस थिंग्स को डीपली, देन वी कैन से दैट कि आवर एनवायरमेंट is consist or it is made up of two types of component. First is it is called natural और second one is man made. ऐसे components जो नेचर ने हमें दिए हैं and the components which are made by the people. So this is called the man made component. So if we discuss our next view, that our environment, that is natural environment, also we divided into two parts. First one is biotic components and second one is abiotic component. बायोटिक कंपोनेंट में कौन आएंगे बेटा? जो जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. एंड एबायोटिक में वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द थिंग्स विच आर गिवन टू अस बाय नेचर but they are not considered in the category of livings. So biotic components are those components which have life, those who can respirate, those who have can excrete. Like if we give example, plants, animals, humans, bacteria, fungus are the biotic components. And second one is abiotic components. Abiotic components means they are also given by nature, but what they are consist of soil, air, water, light, minerals, rocks. These are the abiotic components. So we divided natural components in two parts, biotic and abiotic components. If we discuss about the man-made components, so we will talk about man-made means इंसानों के द्वारा बनाए गए environments. कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? They can be either roads, building, bridges, parks and monuments. Whatever the things are made by the humans, लोगों के द्वारा बनाई गई चीज़ें are come under the man-made components of environment. Now we are going to discuss about the major domains of earth, कि हमारी अर्थ जो है, हमारी जो मदर अर्थ है, उसके मेजर डोमेन्स कौन कौन से हैं. सो द मेजर डोमेन्स ऑफ आवर अर्थ आर lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Lithosphere means, but it is a Greek word. Lithosphere is a Greek word. Lithos, that means stone. Lithos means stone. And what lithosphere is? Lithosphere means that ground, the earth's surface, that rocky material, the soil surface on which we are living, जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं. So lithosphere has many ups and downs हो सकते हैं. They may have mountains, plateaus, hills and valleys. Okay, and lithosphere is covered with the layer of soil. मिट्टी की लेयर से कवर भी हो रखी है, आपने पढ़ा होगा इस चीज़ के बारे में. So lithosphere is also known as the home of different plants and animals, and we can find minerals, coals, aluminum, such type of resources from our lithosphere. Next component is our hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means that hydro word, it is a Greek word, it's called hydor. Hydor means that part which consists of water. It may be a lake, it may be a pond, it may be a ocean, or it may be a sea. So these all the parts जिनमें क्या है, पानी है, चाहे वो तालाब हो, चाहे नहरें, चाहे नदियाँ, समुद्र या महासागर, किसी की बात कर सकते हैं. So these all comes under the hydrosphere. Next thing is, the important factor of hydrosphere is, first of all necessity or all life conditions which are running is totally dependent on water. Then second thing is it provides us great variety of seafoods and minerals, and we also get natural links between the continents. It also used as the means of transportation. We can use the boats, we can move and ups and downs, we can do some transportation activity. So many activities. And one more thing, and one of the best thing of the oceans are the main components of hydrosphere. The elevation of any land form if measured by the ocean floor. And you have studied in the previous classes that 73% of earth's volume is consist of water. So this is the importance of hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means water. And if I give you small information, water which having the formula of H2O means the compound, the molecule of water have formula called H2O. The next and best part of this major domains of earth is atmosphere. Our life survival is totally depend on atmosphere. हम सभी को पता है without air we can't survive. So our air is consist of various type of gases. These are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxides, water vapor, and so many other oxides are available. The atmosphere, in which atoms, it is a Greek word, it means vapor. Okay, and what is the importance? Atmosphere plays a very important role, beta, by providing the right mixture of gases that are required by the various life forms on earth. It also shields us. ये हमें सूरज से आने वाली हार्मफुल रेडिएशन से भी बचाता है हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द हाइट ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर, it is nearly 1600 kilometer from the earth's surface, and the atmosphere is held around the earth by its gravitation force. जो हमारा अर्थ का ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स है उसने हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर को बाइंड करके रखा हुआ है. अगर हमारे अर्थ पे एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं होता, लाइक मून, लाइक मार्स, वी डोंट हैव एटमॉस्फेयर ऑल्सो. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इट ऑल्सो कंटेन्स लाइफ गिविंग गैसेज. कौन कौन सी? ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ऑक्सीजन इज लाइफ गिविंग गैस फॉर ह्यूमंस एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज लाइफ गिविंग गैसेस फॉर दी प्लांट्स. क्योंकि आप सभी को पता है प्लांट्स ऑक्सीजन को एक्सेल करते हैं एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को इनहेल करते हैं. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस एटमॉस्फेयर. सो दीज आर आवर मेजर डोमेन्स. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट बायोस्फेयर, तो बायोस्फेयर क्या है बेटा? इट मीन्स द लिविंग वर्ल्ड. सो बायोस्फेयर इज कंसिस्ट ऑफ all the three components or all the three major domains of earth, which lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. हमारा जो बायोस्फेयर है वो सभी तरीके के स्फेयर से मिलके बना हुआ है. इट कंसिस्ट ऑल द फॉर्म्स such as plants, animals, human beings are comes under the biosphere. बायोस्फेयर ए नैरो जोन वेयर लैंड भी है, वहाँ पर वाटर भी है एंड एयर इंटरेक्ट विथ ईच अदर. So we can say hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere combinedly forms biospheres, जहाँ पे हर तरह की लाइफ फॉर्म्स होती है. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इट प्रोवाइड अस फेवरेबल कंडीशन फॉर लाइफ. हमें जीवन जीने के लिए जो कंडीशंस चाहिए विच इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय बायोस्फीयर. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवार्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is the components of environment that we discussed earlier in this video. We talk about the human, man-made and natural. So now we are discussing about the humans and environments. Humans and environment have beautiful bond between them. For example, humans makes cars, mills, factories and manufacturing industries also. In this way our environment is changing at the increasing rate. अर्ली ह्यूमंस ने क्या किया? उन्होंने अडेप्ट किया अपने हिसाब को सराउंडिंग्स के अकॉर्डिंग. अर्ली ह्यूमंस ने मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स बैक दे अडेप्ट देयर सेल्फ. बट नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर डिग्रेडिंग आवर एनवायरनमेंट विद आवर डिज़ायर्स. हम अपनी डिज़ायर्स को लेके हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को, हमारे सिस्टम को डिग्रेड कर रहे हैं. Environmental degradation has occurred especially in the last few decades. कुछ 200-300 सालों से जब भी आप बात करेंगे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में, रैपिड हमारे एनवायरनमेंट का डिग्रेडेशन हुआ है. नाउ इट इज़ ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज. पूरी दुनिया बेटा इस बारे में जानती है कि वी आर यूजिंग फॉसल फ्यूल्स. फॉसल फ्यूल्स मीन्स fuels which are made millions of years back, like petroleum, gases, coal, crude oils. हम हमारी मोटर व्हीकल्स में यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एंड द इंडस्ट्रीज हैव रिजल्टेड इज रेजिंग इन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द अर्थ. हमारे अर्थ का टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है. एंड दिस सिचुएशन इज क्रिएटिंग ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इफेक्ट्स. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इफेक्ट्स से क्या होता है? द हार्मफुल रेडिएशंस दैट आर कम फ्रॉम द सन विच आर ट्रैप्ड inside our atmosphere, and they are increasing the temperature of our earth surface, and we are receiving severe issues of this thing. So this is the major issue we are facing towards the environmental degradation problem. So here I want to say that not only humans depleted the earth, they also have and anger the surroundings, adding poisonous substance. They have harmed land, water and air and polluted the environments. So humans have spread the diseases and destruction through the pollution. So problems related to environment pollution included sound and light pollutions, loss of soil fertility, and health hazards also causes by the incorrect disposal of harmful wastes. Humans are cutting down the trees, removal of vegetative covers. So these are the major issues we are facing towards the environmental degradation. So all these environmental changes poses a serious threat for the variety of survival of human on earth. So this is the summary of our chapter which we are discussing 5 minutes back. Now whatever doubts you have, you can send your doubts directly to me by my WhatsApp number, or you can put your doubts to the video section also. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home.